My Haiti documentary part
Right now,
1.
step on a bus on the parking lot. We're at the airport. We're heading to Haiti. Otherwise it's called Haiti. Yeah, I mean, so this is going to be the local life in Haiti. So we're going to get one life. Enjoy that shit to the fullest. Experience is a hell of a thing. Let's get it. After Schiavo, just clear customs. Well, just clear TSA. And I lie, one of my slippers go missing. I'm a search jump off in the machine. People they want to check my slippers. So early morning, still there in the DR. You know, but then at them part of the yard, so right now I brush up my teeth, wash up my face. I mean, I say, girl, let's see my teeth clean. I'll keep it out here, you know? I don't know much of I have to carry my toothbrush, put some toothpaste, and I want to lotion back on me. Say, yeah, that's how I do it. Because I just bring my knapsack.